X-Porte battery and SPMU replacement. Welcome to Fujifilm's Sonosite service training on the Sonosite X-Porte. This series covers breakdown of the X-Porte into its component service assemblies. In this video, we will cover replacement of the X-Porte batteries and stand power management unit, SPMU. Always ensure the system is powered off and disconnected from AC before servicing. For this portion of servicing the X-Porte, you will need a 5mm hex wrench bit, a No. 1 Phillips head screwdriver bit, and a torque driver set to 20 inch-pounds. Wire snips, or small scissors. Begin by removing all items from the basket and disconnecting any transducers from the system. Fold the control panel and the clinical monitor to their fully down, horizontal position. Lock the casters and tilt the system over so it is resting on its front edge. Note, the system weighs about 65 pounds or 29 kilograms. It is recommended that 2 people are used to tilt the stand over and lift it back upright. Set all 3 battery switches to off. The switches are located behind a panel on the back right portion of the stand base. If installed, remove the 2 screws securing the power park stand module to the bottom of the system and slide it off. Remove the 6 screws securing the bottom plate and remove the plate. Note, during reinstallation, ensure stamped symbol is facing outward as shown, or the power park module will not install properly. The batteries can now be removed by loosening the 4 captive screws, holding each one in place and pulling the battery free. Note, when preparing batteries, all 3 must be replaced at once. The system can read the date codes of the batteries and will give an error if they do not match. Loosen the 7 captive 5mm hex screws securing the SPMU to the bottom of the stand and pull the SPMU out. Considerable effort may be needed to break the adhesion caused by the gray thermal pad. If the thermal pad does not come out with the SPMU, it must be removed from the bottom of the stand. Release the wire retaining bail. Disconnect the DC output cable and AC power cable, if present, from the SPMU once they are reachable. When installing a replacement SPMU, remove the protective covers from the power connections and thermal pad prior to installation. All screws loosened or removed in the video should be tightened to 20 inch-pounds during reinstallation. To replace the noise suppression dongle, remove the 2 screws from the cable sled and slide the sled out from the base. Cut the wire wrap on the noise suppression dongle. Unscrew the dock to SPMU cable and remove the cable from the end of the dongle. Cut the tie wrap on the dongle bracket and slide the bracket toward the center of the base to remove the dongle. During reinstallation, be sure to replace the 2 tie wraps that were cut during removal of the dongle. Reinstallation is performed by following these steps in reverse order. If assistance with ordering parts or isolating repairs is needed, please contact Fujifilm Sonosite technical support.